NGINX Ingress is being deprecated, and most people don't even realize it. Your cluster might still be running it quietly in production, and that's a problem. Kubernetes is evolving fast. APIs change, controllers change, best practices change. The original NGINX Ingress controller was built around early Kubernetes Ingress resources, but the ecosystem moved on. The community standardized around the Kubernetes Ingress NGINX project, and then even Ingress itself started getting replaced. Enter the Gateway API, a more expressive, more powerful, more future-proof way to manage traffic. So what's actually being deprecated? Older NGINX Ingress implementations, especially vendor-specific or legacy ones. Some distributions have already announced end-of-life timelines. No more feature updates, no long-term support, eventually no security patches. And that's the real danger. An Ingress controller sits at the edge of your cluster. It handles external traffic, TLS termination, routing rules, authentication hooks. If that layer becomes outdated, you're exposing your entire system. So what should you do? First, identify which Ingress controller you're actually running. Is it the community Ingress NGINX, a cloud provider version, or a deprecated fork? Second, check the release notes and roadmap. Are there active maintainers, recent commits, security advisories? Third, start evaluating Gateway API. It separates routing logic from infrastructure. It introduces gateway classes, HTTP routes, better policy control. It's not just a replacement, it's an upgrade. Migration doesn't have to be scary. Run both side by side, test routes gradually, shift traffic incrementally. Treat it like any other production change. Because ignoring deprecation is never neutral. It's technical debt with a timer. NGINX Ingress deprecation isn't hype, it's a signal. Kubernetes networking is entering its next phase. And the question is, will your cluster move with it or break because it didn't? This has been NGINX Ingress deprecation in 100 seconds. If you want more deep dives into Kubernetes internals, hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.